So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 30th of March till the 5th of April 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, honey, this is not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, also the links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's just give me 1 second, honey. Cards are mixed. Yes. Cool. So let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, my love. We have the Knight of Pentacles. So this is someone who is feeling stuck in the situation, as if nothing is moving forward. Even if they are trying their best to move forward, they are stuck in the situation. Slow, delayed, stuck energies, but very grounded. Not in a very unstable, hyper, or I'm going to die kind of thing. It's not restless, it's stuck and delayed. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles as this person's feelings for you. So we have the Seven of Pentacles in reverse, and the Page of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. This is someone who feels like this weight, this delay, this stuck energies are making them more and more disappointed and confused in their life. They feel like moving forwards towards a new life, towards a new chapter, but they're so disappointed because they're stuck in the situation and they're not able to move forward. Okay, so they're feeling like, okay, universe, please give me some kind of you know pace in my life, some kind of direction in my life. Direction in the sense, I feel like this person is feeling disappointed because of the slowness, and they feel like they should move forward but they are not able to. They're stuck here in the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? King of Swords. So from your side, you feel like you should keep your energies very limited, very limited, very crystal clear, and very sharp. Cut to the cutthroat kind of energies. Like this is it. Very crystal clear, very cutthroat, very sharp energies. Okay, let's see, what do you feel? It's like, let's clarify the King of Swords. It's like you guys are keeping yourself at a distance from the situation, emotionally detached from the situation deliberately, because this is what makes sense to you. Let's clarify the King of Swords here as your feelings, honey. So we have the Lovers, the Four of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. There might be two people or two situations. There might be two people that you have to make a choice or decision from, and or this situation of, should I make this happen between me and this particular person, or should I let it go? So before making any kind of strong choice or strong decision, bold choice or bold decision in this direction, you guys feel like taking a pause, taking a step back, and analyzing the situation from every possible angle. Emotionally, you guys are kind of not able to make the right choice here, so that's why you feel like you should think about the situation rationally, practicality, and before making any kind of decision, you guys should take a step back, and then you guys should move forward once you guys are going to be sure that this is the right course of action. Okay, typical earth energy. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Ten of Wands. Now this person wants to be free. They want to get out of this burdensome and heavy kind of energies that they're continuously feeling because of this situation. They just want to drop this situation and be free, Capricorn, and they're not able to do that. It's like cords attached to you very strongly. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands here. We have the Four of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Empress. This person wants to clear the air with you in some way, so that this person is going to be free to choose somebody else or something else over this situation, because they now know that this situation between you and them is never going to work out. So it's better for them to move forward. But to move forward, they want to talk to you. They want to have back and forth communication with you. They want to talk to you about commitment, growth, expansion, happiness, and everything, so that they can be free. So they want to talk to you like maybe as a friend. Let's say me and you are having some kind of issues with each other, and we are suppressing those issues. We are giving each other the cold vibes and this and that, whatever reason, whatever happened. Now this person wants to talk to you as a friend more than a lover. This person wants to talk to you as a friend about each and everything regarding relationships, so that they can be free from the burden and the heaviness that they're continuously feeling in this department of their life, and they're not able to let you go. They are not able to get rid of the situation. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Nine of Pentacles. You guys are giving me this card from a very long time now. Give me something different, my love. Capricorn. You guys are like, I want to earn a lot of money, that much amount of money that I am going to buy happiness. Period. Okay. Seriously, you are giving me this vibe right now that Anjali, tell me how to get money. More and more money, more and more freedom. More and more freedom, more and more happiness. More and more happiness. We are good to go. Cool. Love can wait. Let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles as your intentions for this particular person or situation, my love. We have the Seven of Swords, the Death card, and the Knight of Swords. You guys are not taking shit of any kind from anyone. So you guys are done with the manipulations, the games, the betrayals, and the cheatings and everything. Whether you did that or somebody else did that, whether it happened multiple times or once, you guys are done with that shit. So you guys just want to be done with that kind of shit in your life. And now you want to run away towards that situation in your life that's going to bring you a lot of prosperity and abundance and happiness of every kind, but mostly money. Show me the money. Money, stability, and the freedom to do whatever you want to whenever you want to. That's what you want. That's what you want to focus on right now. Okay. You don't want to focus on something that's already kind of dead. See, you are taking a break from everything or everyone, because so that you can analyze whether you want this person or the situation in your life, or in fact whether you want love in your life right now or not. And that's why you just want to have a lot of stability, freedom, independence, so that if somebody is there, good. If somebody is not there, very good. It's like, you want to live like me. Cool. Good for you. Welcome to the party. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, Cappies, till the 5th of April 2026, honey. Ace of Wands. Okay, a brand new spark, a brand new passionate energy towards something or someone. It's like passion ignited kind of energy. For some of you, maybe a lot of intimacy, sexual intimacy with someone. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands. Maybe you guys are spicing up your sex life or something, but not ready for a relationship kind of a thing. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as a potential outcome for you guys. So, honey, we have the Seven of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune and the. So you guys are thinking about, spicing up your sex life and having fun and not even looking back and not feeling guilty about it or bad about it. And then you guys are like, no, that's not going to work out for me. I have to keep myself protected. I have to keep my energies protected. I am going to wait for the time when the tables are going to turn in my favor, and I'm going to be out of fear, out of guilt, out of this insecurity of maybe it's going to be a good idea or not. So see, you guys are going to have this energy of, okay, let's have fun. Everybody does that. Why should I not do that? No, everybody don't do that. I don't do that. Maybe there are lots of people like me who don't do casual sex for just for fun and But anyways, you guys are going to get this energy of maybe an opportunity to have friends with benefits kind of connection with someone. You might get the spark, initial spark, or you might give it a thought, and then you guys are going to be like, nope, I'm not going to, give my energies to anything or anyone that's going to use me like an object or something. And I'm going to wait for the time when either I'm going to be so broad minded that it's not going to affect me, or I am going to connect with the right kind of person. Cool. That's what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. I'm doing actually. So I'm single from 2022, 2021, and it's been almost 5 years. 5 years? Yep. And counting. I am very happy. Happiest phase of my life. Let's see the guidance here, honey. We have the 10 of wands, the 9 of swords, and the king of cups. This might be very, very hard for you guys to just to keep going. So from time to time, you are going to feel this burdensome and heavy energy of loneliness and stressful nights, sleepless nights, thinking about, oh my God, why the hell am I not able to attract love? Why the hell am I not able to have a partner? Why this, why that? Okay. If you are going to find negatives in everything that is happening in your life, you are going to get the negative, more negativity in your life. If you are going to focus on everything positive in your life, you are going to get the positives in your life. Now that's up to you what you want to attract in your life. The more you are going to focus on the negative side, see the positive side of remain single, write it down, and the negative sides of remaining single. I am very much sure that you are going to get a lot of reasons to be happy when you're single than to be in a negative, like wrong relationship. I'm not saying everybody should die single like me or something. I'm not saying I'm going to die single, but if I'm going to find somebody who is going to be equally like like me, so I'm open to the idea of this, but I'm not looking for anyone. But I'm living and like loving my single life so much that I hardly think about someone to be by my side. Okay. So whenever I feel like this much stressed out, or but I used to feel like that, now not anymore. I always used to count my blessings of being single, you know not in an abusive relationship. I don't have to take care of a man child. I don't have to take the responsibility of other person's actions, this that. So it's always better to be single rather than being in a wrong relationship and cry for the rest of your life. And this loneliness, nobody can cure it. Other person definitely cannot. It's an internal thing. You guys have to convert that into meaningful aloneness. Work on this. Think about it. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate, honey. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can take the message as the guidance, okay? Further guidance in the situation. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. So the answer to your question is reconsider. Reconsider. Cool. So this card suggests that what you are hoping for or trying to achieve in the way that you are currently approaching it might not be the best outcome for you. Think again and consider a different option. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.